LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we will be discussing about 5 reasons why your dental clinic should have a Facebook page. So the first important reason is online presence. Now this is an era of digitalization. Okay, I'm not saying that the word of mouth is totally gone. Word of mouth is very much there, but that can't be the only medium for the marketing for the clinic. We need to upgrade our skills and go into the digital world. We know if we are catering, the educated crowd of 25 to 50 years, then online presence is something which is irreplaceable. We must do it. Now, Facebook gives us a platform where we can do that and reach millions of its users. And according to data, the average user spends around 1 to 1.5 hours every day on Facebook. So you can see how much potential it has for us to reach them. And even if you also know that even if somebody we are looking for some specialist and somebody refers of us some doctor, we will search them on online first. We will see the reviews, we will see their location, and then take a call whether to book our appointment or not. The same goes with our customers also. They search us online a lot. So that is why online presence is important, and Facebook gives us an opportunity to reach those people. That's one reason. Now the second reason is the Facebook page acts as a mini website. I am not saying that you should not have your website. You should have your website and maximum mediums possible of online presence, but the Facebook page is something which is very easy, free of cost, and it doesn't need any technical help. We ourselves can create those things. So that becomes all the more important for us. Like for LDFS, we are in a building stage for the website, but the first thing we started was the Facebook page. So I'll just show you also why I am saying that it acts as a Facebook page. I'll show you my LDFS page or Facebook page. Okay, so this is how it looks for the visitors. Now you can see here. See, this is the followers which we have, okay, and our response rate, how much time do we take to response. These are the list of our community, and this is our address here, and we have the phone number here. We have, I have put my YouTube channel over here, and the hours of open, like for your dental clinic, you can keep the hours when you are open. Mine is a digital field, so I've kept it as always open. Other than that, if you see over here, there's the option of adding reviews. This option is to create a username where the people can tag us. We have option of adding photos. The next is, if you go into the community, you will see the interactions which we had with the community. We can create groups among our community. There are a lot many things, and in the post itself we can add some articles or add some videos, add some images, anything you want. So if yours is a dental clinic page, you can add something like maybe a live session with the patient, or maybe some tips on how to take care during lockdown. So there are lot of opportunity how we can customize it for our benefit. So, and if you see the majority, I have added a WhatsApp option here. The reason is majority of the people browse through their mobile. So if we give them some buttons which they can instantly click to reach us, like maybe a call us option, maybe a book us option, maybe a WhatsApp option. I wanted them to reach me on WhatsApp. That's why I created WhatsApp as a button. So you can create any other things also. So that's there. Other than that is it's totally free of cost also. You don't have to spend anything. For creating a website, you need to have a domain, you have to purchase a domain, and etc. So that's the second reason. Now the third reason is the community. The community which we build in this, the followers which we have in this, we can reach them in a just fraction of second. So imagine like you want to, you are putting some offer on Women's Day or maybe Republic Day. how do you reach your patients and tell them, okay, we are giving this offer right now? You have to either, WhatsApp them individually or create some WhatsApp group where you can send, but that also has a limit of number of, people allowed in a group, or you will mail them. So these are all tedious job. But imagine in this page, if you are promoting this page and asking your people, patients also to join them, sending them the links or the articles which you are creating, they will automatically be following your page, plus they will ask their circles also to follow your page. So there we can just directly put one image or some video, and that will reach thousands and thousands of people within just fraction of second. So that much potential this Facebook page has. Now the fourth important thing is the Facebook ads. Now to create a Facebook ad, we need to have a Facebook page. That's the requirement. And Facebook ads, the best part is we can laser target our customer. What do I mean by that is we can choose who should see our ads, like the location, the age group, the interest of people, other demographic. We can choose from a variety of things and then customize our audiences and then reach the exact targeted audience and show them our ads. So reaching the potential customer is very easy. Imagine you are putting some ad on the magazine or maybe newspaper. You don't know who is seeing those paper or who is seeing those magazines. We don't have control over it. We just have a control of the location they are just distributing those things. Other than that, we don't have any control. But this, we have the control of customizing the audiences who sees our ads. That's, I think, pretty interesting, right? And it's easy to do. We also can do it. And the cost is also less than the cost what it takes to put an ad on on newspaper or something like that. So that's the fourth important reason why you should have. Okay, now the fifth, last but my favorite, is the insights. Facebook gives this insights of the audiences, which tells us that which post is famous in their circle. Now I'll just show you what do I mean by that. Okay, so there are various posts which we have created for LDFS. I'll just show you those things first. Okay, so here it is. See, this is the total post which we have created. Now if you see this one, which ebook, the free ebook we have created, actually that was the most famous one. It reached around 18,000 people. So you can imagine the potential it has. Okay, and so now we know, okay, so this image kind of thing, an ebook is very famous, so we should do something like that. And if you see over here, when you were when our fans, the followers, were online, it gives us that also data, like out of 1,700, see how many people were online, around 1,300 people. So that's a good potential to have, right? And it also gives us a time when they were online and active. So these are some lovely insights which we can use to further make the post interesting, for the content interesting, so that our page becomes interactive or valuable and enjoyable thing for them. So always make your clinic page very much interactive, very much valuable to the patient. Think from the patient's point of view. There are a lot of contents which you can add, live sessions, lockdown, how home remedies to tackle the dental pain, what should you do, what should you not do, and other things like you can keep sessions on how to take care of child teeth, tooth care. So there's a lot more opportunity for that. So you just have to keep on experimenting different things and then see the results. And you can also schedule your post through some softwares. Let us know if you want us to create videos on how to create content which you can post on the Facebook page, or if you want to create if you want us to create a video on how to create the potential Facebook page which will help you reach your potential customers. Let us know and we'll be happy to create these kind of videos for you. Hope this video was helpful and gave you the insight why it is required, why Facebook page is required for your dental clinic. and kindly like, share and subscribe us. And if you want us to send send the links of the videos and everything on your WhatsApp, just message us on this number 810-570-1619 and we'll add you to our broadcast list. Don't forget to save our number. So until next time, bye guys.